Let's focus on the heart of your system, the network switch. Before choosing one, let's discuss some best practices you need to keep in mind. Think back to the basic setup. One switch, a few encoders, a few decoders, and the controller. The best practice is to use a fully dedicated switch just for the NHD system, or even multiple switches if needed. Basically, nothing else should be connected to that switch except the NHD devices. This way, WyreStorm traffic stays completely isolated and there is no interference from other devices. If you're building your project from scratch, stick with this approach. That said, if you do have other devices on the same switch, make sure the switch is configured so the NHD traffic is kept separate from everything else. If you're not sure what I'm talking about here, be sure to check out the resources for this lesson or reach out to your IT team for help. Now, let's move on to choosing the right switch for your project. The switch you choose basically depends on the NHD series of encoders and decoders in your design. WyreStorms offer 3 different series to choose from: NHD 100, NHD 500, and NHD 600. For now, don't worry about any technical details. Just remember this: NHD 100s and NHD 500s use a 1 gig switch, while the NHD 600s require a 10 gig switch. We'll cover the differences between the series later. This is all you need for now. Once you know whether you need a 1 gig or a 10 gig switch, the next step is choosing a specific model. Your switch must support certain features and settings that make NetworkHD traffic possible. To make things easier, WyreStorm's R&D team regularly tests and certifies a wide range of models from leading manufacturers. We strongly recommend choosing one of these approved models. Basically, you have 3 options when choosing a switch. Option 1 is to order a pre-configured switch directly from WyreStorm. This is the most convenient setup. You just order it from WyreStorm.com and the switch arrives fully pre-configured with NetworkHD and it's ready to use right out of the box. Option number 2 is if you're getting your switch elsewhere, outside of WyreStorm.com. In this case, the reliable choice is to pick a model from our list of certified models. Simply visit support.wyrestorm.com and open the network switches page. You're going to see there all supported models. Next to each one, you'll find a step-by-step guide showing you how to configure it for NetworkHD, covering both single switch and multi-switch setups. To show you just how easy the setup can be, let's walk through configuring a really popular 1 gig switch. This is a Netgear M4250. So first up, you want to connect it with your laptop using an Ethernet cable, and then just open your web browser. Next, we're going to type in our switch's IP address. In my case, it's 169.254.100.100, and you want to log in to this AV dashboard. Okay, the next step is click on Network Profiles, scroll down to the Configure Profile section, and click on 3 dots for your default profile. I'm going to click on Edit. And the last thing you need to do is just in the Profile Template dropdown, select Video. That's it. Just click Apply, and your switch is ready to handle NetworkHD traffic. And then we have option number 3, which is if you're using a non-certified switch. Basically, if you decide to use a switch that isn't on the certified list, be sure to involve your IT team and provide them with the official NetworkHD technical reference guide. It's available on our support hub page. They need to verify that the switch supports all required features and settings for NetworkHD to function properly. Also, please note that we cannot guarantee performance with uncertified switches, and for this very reason, we strongly recommend choosing from the certified models whenever possible. Thank you.